Hello four-wheel camper owners. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Truma VarioHeat Furnace. There are three important things to keep in mind before you start using your system. The first is that you'll want to make sure that your camper has power. The kill switch, you're going to want it in the out position, which means that power is flowing into your camper. The second thing is you're going to want to make sure that your propane tank is full, connected, and in the open position so that gas is filling your propane lines. If it's your first time using the system, or if you've just changed your propane tank, you're going to want to purge your lines. You do that by igniting your stove, letting it run for a minute, and then that will help propane reach your furnace system faster. Don't be alarmed if it takes a few cycles for your furnace to ignite. You might also see an error code E2H if propane is not reaching your system. You'll want to do those two things that I just mentioned to make sure that your propane is getting to your furnace. This is the CP Plus display, which controls your Truma furnace and water heater. You'll want to push in the dial and turn it to select the furnace icon. Push in, turn to select your desired temperature, and push in to set that desired temperature, and then the furnace will turn on. The furnace always starts at the lowest setting and runs a warm-up cycle. After a few minutes, it may switch to a higher operating mode to achieve set temperature. This here is the temperature sensor. You'll want to make sure that nothing is blocking this sensor. To change your mode, you're going to want to click the dial to wake up the screen and turn the dial to the fan icon. Click to select, and in here you'll be able to select between auto mode, night mode, and boost mode. Auto mode automatically selects the proper operating level based on the difference between the set temperature and the current room temperature. Night mode is ultra quiet fan operation, and I mean, this is really quiet. Boost mode is for rapid heating, and it's only available if the difference between the selected and the room temperature is about 18 degrees. Now you can enjoy a warm, toasty camper. Make sure that you're getting fresh air into the camper by cracking a window, cracking a vent, or cracking a turnbuckle door. This will also aid in preventing condensation. To turn off your furnace, you're going to want to wake up the display by pushing in the dial, selecting the furnace icon, then turning the dial past all the temperature settings to off, and push in to select. You will hear the furnace go through a cool down cycle before completely powering off. Another cool feature of the furnace is that there's actually a vent mode so that you can circulate air without heat. To get there, you want to have the furnace off. You're going to want to navigate to the fan icon, select vent, push in to select, then you can select your fan operating level. I hope this helps you feel more confident while using your Truma VarioHeat Furnace. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our service department via service@4wh.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you down the trail.